Alright, so to replace a cassette on a bike, all we need is this special cassette lock ring tool, as well as a chain whip. So we need the chain whip because the cassette will obviously move if we try and unlock it. So we need the chain whip to keep it in place so that we can unlock it. So let's see if we can get that done. And obviously a decent shifting spanner. Okay, there we go. Sometimes they're a little bit tight, and then you can just unscrew it. Just be careful when you take it off. And that you take it off. There are loose pieces and sometimes there's little O-rings. Make sure that everything goes back in the right place. This one doesn't have any O-rings, and the whole cassette comes off like that. You can clean that and you can clean this nicely. Usually just put a cable tie through that so that nothing gets lost, and when you put it back you'll notice that there's little cutouts. There's one small cutout, and on this free up there'll be a little smaller one as well, and that is how it fits on. You just look for the matching. There's a small one there, and you match them up, and then this one you can match it up too. There it is. And then the last one. And then this is your locking nut, and then you will screw that on and tighten it. When you tighten it, you don't need the chain whip because obviously you tighten it. There you go.